everyone, welcome. I'm Aditi. In this lesson, we are going to clean the rest of the data set. So first of all, let's check the columns present in the data set using the columns attribute. Now we can see that as we have created a clean column out of the education, job location address, experience, industry and skills column. So we have to delete the duplicates from the data set. But there are some more useless columns such as unique ID, job ID and site name, which cannot be used for our analysis. So let's delete all of these columns using the drop function and specifying the axis is equal to 1, which means that we want to delete the columns from our data set. Now let's check the missing values left in the data set after cleaning and removing some of the unnecessary columns from the data set. We can see that the number of positions has a very high number of missing values. The reason behind this might be that only one vacancy is there for the job posted. So let's impute all the missing values in the number of positions column with 1 and typecast this column to integer data type.